There's a law that dictates the exact amount you want to earn. You all know it, or you at least seen it before. And most people are like, yeah, law of compensation. There's the 3 points, and the income is a direct ratio. If your income is dictated by law, we should study this every day, I think. If you want to earn more money, if you want to do greater things, you want to be connected to financial abundance nonstop and do something even more extraordinary, because money will magnify who you are if you have 10 times the amount that you have. We better study this law all the time. Law of compensation. The amount of money you will earn is always in direct ratio. That should be ratio to, number one, the need for what you do. Number two, your ability to do it. And number three, the difficulty there is in replacing you. Now, most of you have heard this 1,000 times before. Some of you may be brand new to it tonight on which one to focus on. Number two, your ability to do what you do. There's already a need for what you do. It's already there. And you didn't dictate it. It's the marketplace of this world. It's already there. The need for what you do is there. Number three, the difficulty is replacing you will automatically be more difficult when you start to become better at what you do. Think Bob Proctor. How difficult it is to replace Bob? Enormous. It's because the ability for him to do what he does is enormous. Now, here's where we want to take notes. Your ability to do what you do is broken up into two sections. It's the quality of service and the quantity of service. It's this simple. Now, I can really feel really good alignment right now. So I hope a lot of you have just a major breakthrough, like you've seen it in a different light tonight. It's this simple. If you want to increase your income, you just focus on two areas: the quality of your service and the quantity of service. You make the most badass product that you can, and you bring it to as many people as possible. That's all it is. Hopefully you got your notes written down. Everyone good? Got that? How do you increase the service? How can you do better than what you're doing now? Number one, you become way better at what you're doing. Every day you got to grow. And number two, you find all the ways to make your program, make your thing, make your product and service way better. Adam, how can you be doing better than what you're doing? You're doing really well. How can you increase the quality of your service by 10x? Maybe you haven't thought of it. Maybe you have. How can you bring it to 10x the amount of people that you're doing right now? I know you're making a transition to be a consultant, but why not think about this stuff now? Armando, your quality of service is fantastic. We've talked about that before. Maybe the quality or the quantity. What's going on here? What can we do better, right? Obviously, it's very simple thinking, right? If you bring in 10x the amount of people into your business, you're going to be paid a lot more money. So we put our focus there, and then we go through the law of understanding and the law of compensation, saying, I understand that I just need to bring more energy to the world with what I do. It's not the circumstances. It's not my location. It's not my family. It's not my partner. It's my alignment and the amount of service that I'm doing. Perfect representation is my business here. Now think about what's going on, right? The quality of service. I aim to get better and better every day of my life. And so fast that it's phenomenal to the people looking outward into my life. That's how fast I want it to go. So phenomenally, people can't even understand what's going on in my life. That's how fast I want to progress. And since I want that and believe that I can do that, that's what's happening. The quality of service. I want to serve all of you better than ever before. And we talked about the Paradigm Shift Seminar. My goal I have for the amount of enrollments that I want into this program, and with that, to be able to double, triple, and quadruple the amount of service. Not the amount of time, say on one-on-one, the amount of value that we provide in this program. Not increasing the price, providing so much more value to every one of you that this will be the most badass program you will ever have to buy in your life. That's what goes through my mind every day, and that's why things start to change and morph and get better. And then the quantity, bringing this to more people, finding ideas on how to market better. So your ability to do it, it's not just me becoming a better coach, although that's part of the process. It's me also doing better marketing, better sales, better understanding, better business ownership. And the same goes for you. The same goes for you on how you can not only do better in your service and how you provide the service, but better in marketing it, better at helping people with that. And how do you do it? Number one, you have the internal concept change. And number two, you do all the research to find ways to make that a reality. You work on it every day. Now, I already mentioned this, but I'm going to say it again. It is this simple. It's this simple.